Gabriel, look, it's Carter's. It's beautiful.
Gabriel.
Look. Let's see what else we got. Oh,
Cars.
look, Gabriel, look.
Books about cars.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, he's like, I want to play with this.
Okay, we'll put that over there. That's cool. That's a great
Go
present.
get another present, Gabriel.
Go get another.
Open it up.
Anyone. That one. That one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, that one.
What do you think's in that one?
Honey. Honey?
A handy? I don't know. Ready? That's cool.
Honey? Honey?
Open it up.
Wow, what's that?
Oh.
I don't know.
Oh.
Cool. Oh, I think I see. Uh-oh. Looks like stickers. Stickers and books. Wow. Wow.
Open another one.
Whoa.
Okay, open this one. From Daddy.
I did it.
From Dad.
Oh.
Oh. How's the little fingers? Need some help? Ooh.
Oh.
Do you need some help?
Uh-huh.
I think right here. Look, right here. Okay, you open it.
Well, that worked for pajamas.
Woo!
What's on
Oh,
them?
they're beautiful.
Do they have dinosaurs on them?
I believe they do. And you got 2 pair of pajamas.
Wow.
Oh, those have
Somebody must have known you
spaceships.
needed pajamas, huh?
Oh.
Oh, those are cute.
You want to put
I
them
like
on
them.
right now? Why don't you open the rest of your gifts and then we'll put some on? It's like, no, I want to put it on right now. You want to put it on right now? Okay. A blanket. That's from your brother. Can you say Josh?
Dog.
What? Josh.
Dog.
That's your brother's name. Can you say, I love you, Josh? Let's see.
Go.
Open up another present.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
What is that? A Tigger and Pooh book. Wow. colors and shapes. Ooh, what do you do with it?
That's neat. That is cool, dude.
I think we have some other presents. These two. Those. Yeah.
Oh.
Do you like that?
Very neat.
Probably somebody running into our car. Gabriel. Gabriel, open up another one. We've got so many to open.
Mine.
That is yours. Who are those presents for?
Heavy.
It's heavy?
No.
No. Here. Here, right here.
Oh.
Another book.
Another book. Let me see. What is it? Oh. A snowman named Bob. Nice.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh.
Is that a sketch pad?
Huh?
For you? Wow, so you can color.
Coloring. Wow.
That's cool.
Zowie.
Zowie. Really? Really?
Yes.
Zowie, Gabe.
Zowie.
Another. Doodle pad. Awesome. More coloring. Okay, what about in the box? Is there anything in the box left? Ooh, more gifts.
Daddy.
You open it up, sweetie. Who's it from?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
Gabriel, turn around. I can't see. Gabriel.